Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I decided to decorate a small mirror frame with inlay. It can be a very beautiful gift for a valuable person in life. So please stay with me until the end of this video. I decide to give it to my daughter. I am sure you will be thrilled to have this beautiful mirror. First, the surface of the Khatam strip and then the surface of the wood will be coated with glue. If you like this type of videos, please subscribe to the channel by clicking and pressing the button to be notified of future videos. Then carefully cut the wood next to the strip. And we cut the Khatam tape to the required size and carefully put it in place. And by means of a small hammer, we press on the work surface so that it is fixed in place and continue this work until it covers the entire work surface. Please comment to me if you have any questions about inlay. We remove the extras with the help of pliers. And then we smooth the edges with sandpaper. Now it's time for the sides. After finishing the work, we cover all the work to fill all the holes. And now it's time to sand. Using a grinding stone, we sand the tama using sandpaper 80. And then we smooth the working surface with sandpaper.